Want to merge two photos together or create a collage, but not sure how? On iPhone, you can do this with the Shortcuts app. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to combine photos on iPhone. Now let's get started. To combine photos on iPhone, we'll first set up a shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus sign at the top to create a new shortcut. At the top, tap New Shortcut. Then select Rename. Type in what you'd like to name this shortcut. In the search box, type in Photo. Then choose the Select Photos option. Tap the arrow button and ensure Select Multiple is enabled. In the search bar, type Combine. Then select Combine Images. If you tap horizontally, you can change it to combine your photos vertically or in a grid instead. In the search bar, type Save. Then select Save to Photo Album. Now tap Done. Finally, hold down your newly created shortcut and select Details. Enable the Show in Share Sheet option to get this shortcut as an option when tapping the share icon within apps. If you'd like to have this shortcut on your home screen, you can tap Add to Home Screen here. To use your new shortcut to combine images on your iPhone, you can tap the shortcut within your Shortcuts app, tap the home screen shortcut, or tap the share icon while viewing a photo in an app and select the Merge Photos shortcut you've created. You'll then be prompted to select the images you want to combine. Tap Images to select them in the order you'd like them to appear. Then tap Add. Your shortcut will run automatically and combine the selected images into one and save it to your camera roll. That's all it takes to combine images on iPhone. For more useful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.